I have taken over 8 courses and spent over $30,000 within the past 2 years just so I can give you everything that I have learned about SEO in this video completely for free. Now, these valuable skills, if put to use, can take you from $0 per month to 17K reoccurring in just 5 months. I know this to be a fact because this is exactly where I was in March of this year. And now I am currently at 41 happy paying clients every single month, paying around $497 to $997. And to give you an example of where we're at and some proof, here is our client list right here at around $17,300 reoccurring every single month. So in this video, we will go over everything you need to know about how to provide a successful SEO service to make sure clients are happy to pay you month after month and never want to leave. Also, stick to the end of this video to see 2 secret local SEO tactics that nobody is using right now. So in a nutshell, there's 4 main layers to SEO, and those layers are: 1, front-end SEO. So this is the on-page optimization of the site and the Google business page if you're doing local service SEO. And so an optimized Google business page, I'll just go to some of our clients, for example, and click on a random client. And you can see here an optimized Google business page has all their photos filled out. It has a Google business page name with keywords and the city and state where they are located. And you scroll down here, it's going to have a bunch of reviews with keywords, but we'll get into that at the end of the video. And then everything else is just filled out, looks good, and all of that. So that's an optimized Google business page, right? And then on top of that, you want to optimize their actual website for SEO. And this is an example of one of our clients. So you have the home page, and I'll just go to what it looks like. An optimized home page will look like something like this, right? So you want it to look good on desktop and also look good on mobile because 90% of people are actually going to be looking at it through mobile. So that is very important. But you just want to make sure the H1 header is optimized for the keywords that we're going after, which in this case, it's going to be window replacement. So having that in the H1 is very important so Google can read it. And then scroll down here and it's just going to be optimized even more, have more of those keywords sprinkled in throughout the website itself. And then on other pages, they're going to look similar, right? But they're just going to have the other cities that are located, we do within a 50-mile radius, right? And create different pages for those cities so we can eventually rank those pages up higher in those areas for the specific keywords that we are going after as well. So that is the optimization of the site and the Google business page. Then you have back-end SEO. So this is going to be everything to do with the back end where, most people are not going to be able to see all of these, but that's going to be things like backlinks, citations, cloud stacks, and press releases. And to give you an example of what those look like here, we're actually in Search Atlas, and Search Atlas is a tool that helps us greatly with SEO, right? And it's going to allow us to create citations, backlinks, cloud stacks, all of that pretty much with a click of a button, right? And so we're in a random person's account here to create some citations. All you have to do is click this button, and then you click a button up here, new submission, and you just fill out the information needed. And they automatically create around 200 citations across, some of the best platforms that you can put, your company's name, address, phone number, and website across. And then to create backlinks, you click right here on this button. And we already have 13 backlinks already published for this specific company. But here's an example of one of the backlinks that we create. So it's basically just a page with FAQ sections, a location, and some links that when you click them, they automatically take you back to that page that we're trying to bring up with the backlinks. And all of this, again, can be done through the tool called Search Atlas. And if you want to use my affiliate link with that, that will also be down below as well. Okay, so then that pretty much covers backend SEO. And then number 3, you have authority SEO. And all authority is SEO optimized written blogs. And so an example of this is if we go to this page here. So we're in the content section of Search Atlas. It creates SEO optimized blogs pretty much with the click of a button. And all you have to do is enter, an article title and some of the keywords that you want to go after. And then down here, it automatically creates an SEO optimized blog. And all you have to do is copy and paste the blog into the website platform that you are using. So in this case, we're using Go High Level for this client. This is one of our blog section here. So we just created a blog in Search Atlas and literally took 2 seconds. By the way, Search Atlas blogs are 100 times better than ChatGPT or anything else because they're actually optimized to get you ranked up. And this is one of the pages for our blog section. And you click here. And this is one of our blogs that we have for one of our clients. And, after you create the blog, you just index it, send backlinks to it, and then bring it up on Google so Google can read it. And that's all you have to do, right? But you can see, you scroll down here, automatically created all of the images for you. It automatically created, a bunch of keywords that are prevalent for this specific business in their specific area. And it does everything for you, right? So that is the authority side of SEO. And then we have the technical side of SEO. So the last part is the technical side. So when you right click on a website, right, and then you go to the CSS in the backends, well, all that CSS Google is reading, right? Whether you know about it or you don't, Google is reading all of that CSS in the backend. So plugging your website into Search Atlas here and going through the process of actually, implementing a code into your website hosting platform. So you just implement, one code in the header. And then once the code is implemented, this software will help you optimize the back end of your website so that Google can read it. And that's all the technical side is. So you can see here on the right, we have saved 9 days, 13 hours, and 50 minutes by optimizing the CSS or the back end of the website right here. And we always want to shoot for an optimization score of around 100, but you can see all the technical aspects that Search Atlas fixes, like title tags, meta description, missing image alt tags. And again, guys, these are things that you might have had to do outside of this platform before, but now with this platform and the AI tools that it uses, you no longer have to do all these manually, like, optimizing the image alt text and doing all of these things, right? You can all do them at pretty much the click of a button. You just hit deploy all, or you can scroll down here and then AI generate everything and then hit deploy. And then it automatically, see how it automatically fixed everything and it brought everything up to a 99 optimization score. So that's going to help bring that site up a lot on Google because Google is going to be able to read it better on the back end, right? So last but not least, I promised some extra cool tactics that you can use to help bring up your client locally in the map pack, right? So once the Google business page is optimized completely, adding 5-star reviews and weekly Google business posts with keywords will help it continue to rank up and generate more traffic in the long run. And so we have a 5-star review system. So we input previous customers in Go High Level and any future customers that they have. And that just looks something like this. So this is one of our clients here. We're sending out a Google review campaign and it's very, very successful for them. But all the text messages look is something like this. So it's hello customer name. We're doing a customer appreciation giveaway, $75 gift card to the restaurant of your choice. It only takes 10 seconds to blah, 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 leave the review. And then this is the link they click on. And then it's like be entered twice to use this keyword. So that's the keyword that we're trying to rank for, right? So that's window blinds for this specific business. And then we click that link here and it automatically takes them to the page where they can write that review, right? Or actually filters out the part where, let's say someone was dissatisfied with their service. Well, it doesn't allow them to write that review, right? But let's say someone clicks a 5-star review or a 4-star review, then it'll take them to the page where they can actually write that review. And that's exactly how we help them get 5-star reviews with keywords. So that's very important in the long run. You want to make sure they're hammering this and getting them consistently because that's going to add more fuel to the fire and help them get more leads through the Google business page itself. And the other way you can help them continue to get leads through the Google business page itself is consistent Google business page posts. So we use Search Atlas and we combine Search Atlas with ChatGPT to write weekly posts with keywords and city names. So this is the last thing that I wanted to show you. So this is one of our clients in Coeur d'Alene. And these are all of our Google Business posts that are automatically written with AI with the help of Search Atlas. So you just click Google Business posts here, and then you click add bulk posts up here at the top. And then it'll help you create some awesome looking Google Business posts with AI images. So you never have to worry about adding a specific image because it does it for you. And then you just copy and paste the post from ChatGPT into here with the keywords that you want to go after. So in this case, it's like window replacement, window installation, stuff like that, right? And so you want to make sure that you're putting those in the Google Business posts once a week. You don't really need to do more than one post a week, right? That's all you really need. And that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful and you want free mentorship by me, where I will guarantee you your first $497 per month client in 30 days, click the link below at laptop-freedom.com. Sign up with Go High Level. It's going to give you 30 free days. And then after you sign up, all you have to do is schedule a call with me and we'll be ready to go. And yeah, I'll help you get your first client within just 30 days. So again, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.